are my questions? Here are my questions. All right. So, where are my questions? There we go. There goes the question. All right. So, let's get started on this final day of December of 2024. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Another one.
All right. So, let me move this a little bit because apparently, let's move that down. All right. Let's do that. All right, cool. There we go. So let's just start that all over again, okay?
Another one.
Practice websites for automation? Yeah. So it says practice websites for test frameworks using Playwright plus TypeScript. It says, hi, I've been learning Playwright lately, but prior to this, I have worked on Cypress. I would like to know which practice websites do you use to develop a full-fledged framework for personal projects? I have checked out a few websites like Demo QA, and I really don't want to concentrate on a single dropdown with a text, if you know what I mean. Do you share your GitHub repos if you have something related to Playwright? I would love to check it out. So I do have GitHub repos that have Playwright stuff in it, and I might send it to you. I might send it to you. It depends. It depends. Are you subscribed to the Tech Coach Ralph channel or the Tech Coach Ralph podcast on Spotify and iTunes? Next year, 2025, tomorrow, we're going to be having all of the Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday and Friday shows uploaded to Spotify and other platforms as well, right? We're going to expand the podcast out a bit, but I would say I'm going to start the timer and I'm going to say this, right? What website should you use to practice automation on? All right, it's going to be a pretty complex answer, right? A very, very complex answer. The websites that you should use to practice automation are, all right, you ready? Ready? The websites that you use every single day. So if you are using Amazon every day to be look for hats, maybe, if you're looking for hats on Amazon, if you're looking for cooking supplies, whatever it is that you're using, that's the site that you use for practicing automation. Maybe you're not an Amazon person. Maybe you're a Temuer. Maybe you like using Temu. Well, you can use Temu. And the good thing about using Temu as well for practicing automation, something about Chinese-based websites is when you click on a link, it opens up in a new tab or a new window. So it gives you the opportunity to practice switching tabs and stuff like that. But there's so many, like if you are an avid DoorDasher or an Uber Eater, right? Or Instacarter, then automate that. I mean, one of the first sites that we automated on this channel was Uber Eats. It was either DoorDash or Uber Eats. I know we did both of them, but it was one of the two that we did. So it is imperative that you start to build the skill set based on real world applications. Using these fake websites, I've seen boot camps where they give you like this made up mythical e-commerce website that they have, and it's like, what is that doing for you? But let's say you're one of my friends who love a particular type of clothing, right? And this type of clothing has like a gorilla as a logo, right? Very, very popular brand. And you're like, well, I like to shop for this stuff. Why don't I automate that site? What if I automate finding the lowest price to get an alert? And then once it has this price, then it automatically goes to add it to the cart and notifies me to come and finish the transaction. So many different ideas, but a lot of times like, oh, I need to practice this. I need to practice that. Well, practice on something practical. Practice practically, right? Imagine that. Practical practice. Use something that is useful and valuable to you so that you enjoy doing it and that you actually learn instead of something that's fake, that is fraudulent. You get what I mean? Does that make sense? Do you agree? Do you agree with that? So I don't use fake things to learn. When I'm going through a course, right? When I'm going through a course, I am looking at I'm looking at, okay, so I'm doing whatever practice stuff that they gave me. Then I'm like, okay, how can I apply this to my own stuff, to my own life? And that's why when we were learning Terraform, we went on such a detour because we had our own application that we wanted to deploy to AWS using Terraform. Looking at day one of the large language model course, prompt engineering course, they're doing something that I had already wanted to do for the Urban Dictionary of Economic Data, where I was talking to Yakar about this. I'm like, what I want to do is pass in the URL of the report that we're looking for, and have our AI summarize the key points of it, so we don't have to go and dig through all this stuff. Summarize the key points. And on day one, that is one of the projects that they're doing. I'm like, okay, cool, that's perfect. Now we're going to use that so that we can implement that on our own stuff. You feel me? You feel me? So that's what we're looking for. But that's how you actually get practical application. You practice on real world things, and it's not just a fairy tale land. It's not like you're not like Peter Pan looking for Tinkerbell to create you this magical website that you're going to practice on. No, use what you use every single day. Every single day. That's my philosophy from day one. The people that I'm coaching, they'll tell you. I'm like, okay, well, let's just build it. Let's just build it. That's my model. For you trying to learn automation, if you don't have somebody that you're working with who's actually building something, then use the tools that you are most accustomed to. All right. Hopefully that answers your question. Hopefully that helps.
Every step I took alone, built a kingdom all my own. No more shadows pulling strings. I am light, I am wings.
I walked away, no chains to bind. I left the past, I cleared my mind. The road was rough, the skies were gray, but I broke free, I found my way.
I walked away, I broke the chain, left behind their endless rain. Tried my best to make it fit, but their world wasn't it. Now I'm free, running strong, I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust. Freedom's here and I can trust.
Now I'm free, running strong, I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust. Freedom's here and I can trust.
I tried my best, I gave my all, but their world was too small. They couldn't see beyond their walls, so I chose to rise, not let myself fall.
Saw their ways a hollow sound. No real love was ever found. Left them there where they belong. Now my heart beats twice as strong.
Now I'm free, running strong, I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust. Freedom's here and I can trust.
Now I'm free, running strong, I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust. Freedom's here and I can trust.
Their whispers fade like distant songs. I found my voice where I belong. No anchors now, no shadows stay. I face the sun, a brighter day.
They wanted walls, walls, I wanted skies. I couldn't live their tangled lies. Now I'm soaring, winds at play, dancing, lighting everywhere.
Now I'm free, running strong. I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust. Freedom's here and I can trust.
Now I'm free, running strong. I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust. Freedom's here and I can trust.
I'm free, I'm running wild, like the laughter of a child. Free from their weight, I can breathe. This is my time to believe. I'm free, I'm running wild, like the laughter of a child. Free from their weight, I can breathe. This is my time to believe.